Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, we are going to walk through how to apply for Barbados Welcome Stamp Visa. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, this visa lets you work remotely from Barbados up to 12 months. Okay. Now, this is kind of digital nomad visa where you can work remotely from Barbados if your work is location independent. Okay. And how to apply? That's what we are going to see. So in front of you, I have opened this Visit Barbados site where we have gone for Barbados Welcome Stamp. Now, eligibility is given. What are the things you need? Principal applicant, like the passport size photograph, biodata page of passport, proof of relationship, you're applying as a family, fee is given, family fee is given, and this is the minimum income requirement. Okay, and you can see read it here. Okay, now you want to apply, click on apply now. If you're coming for the first time, click on the complete application. This is in 4 steps. So type of application, new renewal. If you go for renewal, then it will ask the previous visa number. Otherwise, it will come here. So I'm putting sample. You do as per your case. Okay. Earth. I can search here. Country of citizenship. Former nationality, if applicable. Okay. I certify that I expect to earn an income of this much or more. Okay. That's it. Now, email address. This is just sample. You don't do this. You do as per your own case. Name of employer. Brief description of work, nature of business with which applicant will be engaged. So provide full details. I'm just doing this. Marital status single. Application linked to an existing application. I select no. Click on continue. Step 2. Permanent address. Okay. Country. Email address. Phone number. Emergency contact. Passport details. Check your passport at least 2 times. I mean, verify the details at least 2 times before you apply, because sometimes people do minor mistakes and then they struggle later on. So that's not a good thing. Instead, check your details in advance so that you don't have to struggle. Mhm. Date of entry. Have you been convicted of a serious criminal offense? I select no. Is there any person in the family group accompanying you that would be defined as a dependent? I select no. Okay, I select no. Now, what are the things they have asked? Passport size photograph, biodata page of passport, declaration, consent, signature, submit, and then you have to pay the fee. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.